Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my Hummer H2. This is year model 2008 and I'm going to show you how to remove and how to install the third row seat. It's very easy and simple, and this will work with all the Hummers. So let's get started. We're going to open up the trunk and then I'll show you. These are the third row seat, very easy to remove it. If we look on the back of the seat, there's number 1 and number 2 and number 3 at the bottom. So we're going to pull number 1. As we pull number 1, the seat gets folded, just like this. Then you pull number 2 and that opens the lock. And then you go up. On this side as well, number 1, pull up, then press it down. Number 2, pull up, and it opens up. So once the seats are in standing position, if you look, it's not going nowhere. That's the number 3 latch in order to put it back. Now in order to remove it, these are the grabbing handle on both seats, and this is the lever. You pull this lever, and then you just pull it out. That way you take it out. Now in order to put it back, that is the number 3. So what do you need to do? If you pull it like this, it's not going to come down because it's locked. So we're going to press it and it releases the lock, and then you pull it down and then you snap on and it locks in. So we're going to do the same thing. If we look at this, it's locked. It's not coming down. So we're going to open it and that releases the lock. We're going to bring it down and it locks in. In order to put it back, you pull up and it releases the lever. Same thing on this side. So that's how it's easy and simple to remove or install your third row seat in your Hummer. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.